Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Photorealistic outdoor living space, lush tropical garden setting, mustard yellow sectional sofa with colorful throw pillows, patterned area rug in blues, grays, and black, decorative wooden accents, dark gray wooden coffee table made from recycled tire, boho-chic aesthetic, various colorful potted plants, dark brown wooden furniture, natural daylight, dark gray umbrella, elements of African and ethnic style. Decorative wall mirror, small tables and poofs in warm terracotta color. Modern living room, hyper-realistic, large windows overlooking a lush garden, warm sunlight streaming in, natural colors, muted beige and brown couch with various patterned throw pillows, colorful patterned rug, glass coffee table, potted plants, dark metal window frames, garden with green grass and trees. Decorative lamp with an orange shade, focus on natural light, detailed textures of fabrics and plants. Mid-century modern style elements. A sun-drenched room with large windows showcasing a serene garden. Impressionistic style, but with hyper-realistic details. Warm, natural light streams through the windows, casting shadows on the wooden floor and tatami mats. Brown, beige, and muted greens dominate the color palette. Wooden window frames and shelving, along with dark-colored bonsai pots are visible. Multiple bonsai trees of varying shapes and sizes, with lush greenery, are displayed on a wooden sill. The garden beyond the windows includes a variety of trees, shrubs, and a wooden fence. The floor is a light brown wood plank, with scattered shadows. A woven rug or tatami mats cover the floor. Outdoor hot tub on a patio. Hyper-realistic, modern spa-like setting. Light beige/gray stone patio. Wooden, light brown/tan slatted screen or wall with greenery and hanging vines. Large potted tropical plants in the foreground and background. A light grayish-white hot tub with wooden accents sits centered on the patio. Warm, natural light. Slight shadows. Glass sliding doors to a light beige home interior in the background. Natural, relaxed, peaceful aesthetic. Details of the hot tub jets and the weave patterns in plants are key. Woody tones, soft greens, grays, and beige. Modern minimalist house, hyper-realistic, open-plan living area, large glass sliding doors, connecting indoor and outdoor spaces. Wooden deck, light grayish-beige tones, natural wood flooring, light gray sectional sofa with light gray cushions, outdoor coffee table. Fall foliage visible through the glass doors, showing a serene wooded area. Exterior walls of the house are a muted, warm gray-brown concrete. Natural light streams through the large windows. Warm, inviting atmosphere, tranquil setting, outdoor dining area with simple wooden chairs and a low table. Slight, natural variations in the wood tones. Slight impressionistic softness of the foliage beyond the glass. Photorealistic outdoor patio, light beige sectional sofa with light beige and cream throw pillows, wooden coffee table made of a large slab of wood, several light beige, round poufs/ottomans, simple wooden armchairs, wooden/dark brown cabinet, various size terracotta colored planters with leafy plants, rustic wooden fence or wall with macrame hanging decor, rich, earthy tones of tans, browns, creams, terracotta and rust, a patterned, colorful, vintage-style rug, lush green foliage. And plants, warm, natural light, relaxed, bohemian vibe, subtle impressionistic qualities in the foliage and the way the light hits the plants. A modern, minimalist garden pavilion, hyperrealistic, lush tropical garden setting, natural light streaming through large glass walls, dark gray concrete paving stones, dark brown wooden beams and supports, potted tropical plants, vibrant green foliage, a variety of leaf shapes and textures, yellow and orange flowers, light olive green and brown furniture inside the pavilion, warm golden lighting highlighting the interior space, modern architecture, peaceful, tranquil ambience. Photorealistic garden, tropical oasis, lush vegetation, variety of plants, dark gray wooden fence, small waterfall, stone pathways, wooden patio furniture, light beige couch and cushions, light tan wicker ottoman, brown wooden decking, muted tones, warm lighting, gravel, and water features, stones, small pond, plants like ferns and palm trees, red flowers, detailed textures, water flowing over rocks, impressionist lighting, natural ambience, peaceful scene. Photorealistic garden, tropical oasis, lush vegetation, variety of plants, dark gray wooden fence, small waterfall, stone pathways, wooden patio furniture, light beige couch and cushions, light tan wicker ottoman, brown wooden decking, muted tones, warm lighting, gravel, and water features, stones, small pond, plants like ferns and palm trees, red flowers, detailed textures, water flowing over rocks, impressionist lighting, natural ambience, peaceful scene. Hyperrealistic outdoor living area, gray sectional sofa with light gray and beige throw pillows, wooden coffee table, lush green vertical garden wall with various plants, brown wooden panels behind the plants, light gray concrete wall, warm lighting illuminating the plants, wooden deck flooring, potted plants around the sofa, natural light, calm and serene atmosphere, detailed foliage, realistic textures, balanced composition, impressive depth of field. A vibrant, tropical garden setting. Hyperrealistic. Wicker furniture with colorful patterned cushions, arranged on a gravel patio. Variety of vivid and vibrant colors on the cushions, including blues, yellows, oranges, and reds. The wicker furniture is a light brownish tan color. A low, oval-shaped wicker coffee table sits between the seating. A few decorative items, possibly small bowls or trays, are on the table. Plenty of lush, tropical foliage, including palm trees and green plants, fill the scene. Lighting suggests a sunny day. The stone gravel patio is a light gray color. The overall impression is one of a relaxed, Bohemian, vacation-like retreat. Urban outdoor courtyard, bright sunny day, hyperrealistic. Colorful graffiti murals cover walls, showcasing vibrant patterns and bold colors. Surrounding walls are made of exposed brick or stucco, creating a raw, industrial aesthetic. Comfortable, mid-century modern-style orange and yellow sofas, poufs, and tables of a similar hue are scattered throughout the courtyard patio. White metal-framed benches and chairs are displayed around the large, colorful murals. A sense of life and artistic vibrancy are suggested by the colorful elements and the light and shade patterns. Trees cast shadows on the pavement and the courtyard is filled with sunlight. A muted blue sky is visible between the leaves. The stone/concrete pavement of the courtyard is light beige tone.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.